Hi guys, let's go ahead and do number 4 of the independent practice in solving absolute value equations. So the first thing we need to do is isolate the absolute value right here. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. This, so we get the absolute value of x divided by 4 equals 2. Now I need to remove the absolute value sign, so I need to split this into 2 equations. I'm going to get the positive counterpart, which is basically what you see inside of the absolute value. And then I'm going to have a negative times x over 4 equals 2. Remember, there's an or that goes in between. Now this is actually 1 over 4 times x. You can think of it that way. You can even write it as 1/4 x equals 2. That's the same thing, guys. So I'm going to try to make this 1/4 of 1 by multiplying both sides by the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4. So x equals 8. Now over here, remember I told you that you don't distribute that negative. You just apply it to either the x or the 4. One of the numbers. Okay, I'm going to apply it to the x. So once again, you can think of this as negative 1 over 4. X equals 2, and I take the reciprocal of negative 1/4, which is negative 4. Remember, the reciprocal is the same sign. Multiply both sides by negative 4. X equals negative 8. So your answer ends up being x equals 8 or x equals negative 8. And I can check that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it checks out. And if you got it, well, good job. Yay.